Big Birch was no ordinary tree. With bark like silver lightning and roots that tickled the earth like fingers, he wandered the Scottish Lake District with a friendly sway in his stride. On this trip, he was visiting distant cousins, gnarled willows and proud rowans, near the shores of Loch Ness. But as he ambled down a misty glen, he heard panicked cries from a nearby village. A nest of evil black mamba snakes had slithered in, biting crops, hissing at pets, and coiling around chimneys. "Now, that's just rude," murmured Big Birch, narrowing his knothole eyes. Using his superior tree smarts, he hatched a plan. He rumbled over to the village square and dropped a trail of juicy berries leading to an old fallen log near the riverbank. The greedy mambas, hypnotized by the scent, followed it right onto the log. With a mighty stomp, Big Birch nudged the log into the water. "Next stop, Japan," he called cheerily as the snakes hissed in frustration, drifting away. The villagers cheered, tossing wreaths of heather around Big Birch's limbs. He blushed, a faint green tint, and waved a leafy branch. Then, with a creak and a chuckle, he resumed his hike, just a tree visiting kin, saving villages along the way.